Hey friends, did you know that B&C Camera offers fun classes and events to help hone your photography and video skills? No? Well, now you do. We had once again held an event at Nelson's Landing this year featuring Sony Artisan Scott Robert Lim. It was an all-day event where Sony provided camera systems to shoot with and DJI providing gimbals for those wanting to learn video and gimbal operations.
So see how the tones all match right here? His skin, what he's wearing, and so your environment gives you clues on where to go, and it's in the shade, and he's looking towards the sky. You got an awesome test light right there. Look right back to this camera right here.
So the camera's going to do like a thing. So this is my flying style. Like most stuff.
Cacti is glowing. That always makes for a great backdrop. Whenever you see plants glowing like that, that is perfect to put your subject behind. And then also, if you see the plants glowing, your hair's going to be glowing. So that's the whole, that's the reason why I chose that area, is that I can see the glowing of those cacti. It makes it really interesting. I got mine on. That's pretty good, right? Why don't you put the light on the other side? Okay, and then right here. Yeah, right there.
I'll let you guys know.
Are we doing the whole dress thing?
We'd like to thank our amazing customers, both new and old, for attending the event, along with Sony's very own Marcus Covison and Joshua Fulton for once again holding the event. Of course, it goes without saying that we'd also like to thank Scott once again for being a part of the event this year and providing his insight while on the field. Also this year, we would like to thank Brian Covarrubias from DJI and his crew for joining in on the fun and providing the gimbals to rent and practice on. Definitely don't miss out on the fun by keeping your eyes on our classes and events section on our website. And we hope to see all of you guys in our future events.